Got sticky doors and windows? Or obvious cracks climbing up your brickwork? Your home may be a lot less valuable than you think. These small defects may seem innocent, but are a sign your home has shifted over time and could be a warning of further underlying damage to your foundations. This damage not only makes your home less safe, but could reduce your property's value by hundreds of thousands of dollars. Thanks to earthquakes and rising water tables, structurally damaged foundations are incredibly common. Every year, hundreds of Kiwi homes are deemed unsafe and relegated to the as-is-where-is price bracket come time for sale. Yours could be one of them. So, what's the solution? You can talk to your builder mate down the road who knows a thing or two about fixing unsightly cracks. Or even trust in a startup repair company who promised to fix the problem. But why put your biggest asset on the line and risk making the problem even worse? Over the last decade, SmartLift Systems has lifted and repaired over 800 commercial and residential properties with a 100% lift and repair success rate. Earthquake damage, land movement, or even flooding are no match for SmartLift's patented repair system. With our unique expertise, we can guarantee your property will bounce back or even increase in value once repaired. How it works is simple and easy. Step 1. Get yourself a free SmartLift quote. Step 2. Once accepted, our team can repair your home in as little as 2 weeks. Step 3. Job's done. You will receive the documentation required to have full autonomy over your property again. Unsure if your property is damaged enough to require a repair? Talk to our expert team by calling 03 928 2695 or visit our website to book your free inspection and quote. Feel safe and secure in your home again with SmartLift.